quick hello from York, about an hour west from Perth, and it's really weird. We're on a suspension bridge right now.
Stop bouncing,
It's lovely. Let me show you. Go on, you bounce around, Pete. Elliot's not super comfortable. It's like, whoa. It's a little bit scary, but pretty cool at the same time. It's definitely rainy now and really cold, so we're not going to stick around too much. We're filming this in between showers, so I think it's going to bucket again soon. We'll leave it at that. Back in Perth, we got time to have a proper date since we started the trip at our favourite Italian restaurant, Quiniti's, while Auntie Jackie was looking after Elliot. We ended up spending about 10 days in Perth, catching up with family, doing housekeeping and getting a new fridge finally, before having our last dinner at the very famous Alfred's Kitchen. This place is popular for its homemade ham and pea soup in winter and big burgers, and also because you get to dine in an old carriage. How cool is that? Hi guys, just settling at the Herron Point campground, and we're going to visit the beach first and see what's around. Starting to get really chilly out here, so I did a little shopping before we left Perth. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, Bear wants it.
Well, nice and warm?
Yes.
Toasty?
It's like a hug. Oh, it is really cold. We're looking for the giants of Mandurah. They are big Aldo sculptures, and I think we can see one from here, but we won't show you until we get there. There are 5 giants scattered all over Mandurah, sculpted by Danish artist Thomas Dambo. Okay, so we are on our way to see the second giant of Mandurah.
Yeah.
The first one was insane. It's so cool. What a talented artist. Sadly, people don't understand art, and that these are actual sculptures made by a person who spent hundreds, thousands, I don't know, of hours on to create it, and they just let everyone climb on there. There were tons of pelicans around, just like where we lived on the Central Coast in New South Wales, and I just adore the way they land on the water. And we found the third giant just chilling on the sand. And we are off to see the fourth giant. Ready? Let's go!
just doing a walk to the final Giants of Mandurah. It's a national park, so no dogs allowed, so that's why it's still in the van. And I'll update you when I get there. Hopefully it's worth the walk. A few k's in, a few k's out. Should be fun.
Out of the 5 giants, this was the most secret one and hardest one to find, but not that hard. And definitely my favorite because of the intricate ways holding the tree and the beautiful expression on his face. It's just very calming and he seems loving and just a beautiful sculpture.
Oh, hi there. Just coming back from BCF where we got our new fire pits. We've been looking for one for quite a while now, and I thought we'd bite the bullet and get one. So that's we'll show you that later when we get out of the box. And we've also got a grill on top of it so we can cook.
Ooh, exciting!
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back.